Late one night, I found an old typewriter at a yard sale. Its keys faded but oddly inviting. I brought it home and set it on my desk, eager to hear the satisfying click-clack of the keys. But when I tried to type, nothing happened. The machine stayed stubbornly silent, not a single letter appearing on the page. Disappointed, I left the room to make some tea. When I returned, I froze. The typewriter had produced a single line. I only write what must be read. My heart pounded in my chest. I pressed a key, still nothing. I turned away, pretending not to care, but every time I left the room, I'd come back to a new message. Don't turn around. It's watching you. The messages grew more urgent, warning me to leave the house immediately. I tried to ignore it, but that night, as I lay in bed, I heard the unmistakable sound of the typewriter clicking away. Fast, frantic, relentless. The next morning, a final message waited for me on the page. You stayed too long. The typewriter has been silent ever since, but sometimes